All right, I'm here on Mr. and Mrs. Baruti. I'm going to start, here is the front door, and I'm going to start walking to the left of the front door toward the carport. And here, where I see my step ladder, there's the carport. When I get up here, this piece of siding, as you can see, is just buckled out. So what we need to do is just pull loose these couple of pieces and re-nail into the stud the piece. And I just realized too that some of this siding is not original and has been replaced. So if you look at the grain in the siding and then watch when I move up to this one, that is a different grain of siding. It looks like it's a different brand. So some of this has been, I believe, replaced in the past, and we have noticed that there's many places that this siding could come loose. Now we have a piece here laying on the ground under the carport, and it's missing from right there. What I want to do is I want to take out that miscolored sill trim. I want to bring new sill trim, and I want to bring a couple pieces of siding because I think this siding is cut too short, and I want to put new siding up into that sill trim properly in the way that it's supposed to be. The next area of repair and concern is right here over these grills. We can see that piece right there is just falling out and needs to be pushed up and trim nailed properly. And then on the back side of the house, as I walk around, you'll see this panel right here, and above this panel there is another area of siding that's buckling out right there. So we just need to nail it with trim nails back in where it belongs. And then as I walk around this side of the house, we did not see anything on this side that was a direct issue. The same goes for this side. We did notice that here again where this wire is, I can see how easy I can pull that out. So, but we also recognized that the only way to repair that is going to be to take the siding down and redo the wall, and decided not to do that at this time. When I come around to the front here, so if we get in, here's the first window, the hose things here. When we get in here, this piece right here behind the bush, see how easy, guys, that comes out? So it wasn't pulled up far enough and it wasn't locked in. So I want to take and put a couple of trim nails into the studs behind those bushes. So if you're standing in front of the house, you got the front door, the first window, the second window. That piece I just showed you is below that window. So the second window from the front door to the right, and then down, and you'll see it. And then on the front of the house there's a piece missing there, and he has the siding, but more importantly I want to take this top piece out all the way across, put in the undersill trim, and then either put a new piece in or put this siding back in correctly. If this siding is high enough and can lock into the sill trim properly, then I'm okay with using this piece. If it's not, we need to use the other, to use a new siding, because we don't want it to happen again. And that, you know, will tune up, I'll use the word tune up, the existing siding to try to hold it together until they are ready down the road, possibly after budgeting, to do a more extensive replacement or repair.